Hi there. Thank you again for helping us test our new registration for Tahoe Dreamin 2024. So I'm going to walk through the registration process, point out a few issues we still know are happening so you don't hit upon those, explain the different ticket options we have, and then, please go through it. And again, please give detailed feedback, good and bad more important, of what you think, should change in the process, if anything. Okay. So first thing you want to do is go to tahoedreamin.com and click the call for speakers up at the top. You're going to go to this page. This year at Tahoe Dreamin, for the first time, we're using Experience Cloud site for call for speakers, but we're also going to be using it for the registration. The reason using the Experience Cloud for the registration is you're going to be able to use Google, Salesforce, other social logins to get into the Experience Cloud site, and then that will pre-populate the Experience Cloud ticket, or the Tahoe Dreamin ticket, with some information about you, so you don't have to enter it again. Okay, so once you go to the tahoedreamin.com, call for speakers, take a look at this one video below on here. This will talk about the ways to register. Maybe you already know how to do it, but if you need help with how to self-register for Experience Cloud site using the different authentications, I'll go to that. But I'm just going to click right into the link and go to this form. So part of the self-registration is you can fill out the form, or you could use Gmail, Salesforce, LinkedIn, blah, blah, blah. Again, the other video goes into more detail, but go through whichever process you think is appropriate for yourself. Any of them will work. I'm going to click already have an account, since I already have that. And I'm going to click log in with Google. Okay, here's our Experience Cloud site. Again, right now, very bare, still in development, early. We'll hopefully clean it up, make it a little prettier, and all that stuff. If you'd like to submit a session to speak or lead one of our well-architected workshops, you can do that here as well. But for this testing, please go to register to attend. You have a lot of text here. There's scrolling. We will fix up the text once we get through this beta testing. You get to this page, click the Tahoe event. Again, lots of different text on both pages. Some are duplicates, but please look through the text. Give your thoughts on if it's clear, not clear of what we're trying to say. This year at Tahoe Dreamin, we're trying something just to see if it works, called pay what you can ticket pricing. Normally our tickets for Tahoe Dreamin are $225 per person, which is a little on the high side for community conferences. And the reason is it's Lake Tahoe area, which is a bit more expensive than many of the other areas that have community conferences. But this also means sometimes others cannot attend because of the cost. So we're offering, tickets as low as $125 up to the, what we consider the regular price of $225. They're the same tickets, give you the same information, things like that. We're calling it pay what you can, again, to get for those low people that can't maybe pay the full price. We're hoping not everybody chooses $125. If that happens at the beginning, we will probably have to remove it. But please give your thoughts on that if you think that's a good option. Not with all your thoughts on it, as would be great. So I'm going to click get tickets. You could either do it here or here. Okay, and then here's the different types of tickets. And again, this is that pay what you want. We have some descriptions. If you think it should be more descriptions or does not make sense, feedback, please give that. One issue we have right now is you should be able to click the quantity here of how many you're getting. But if you notice, the checkout isn't highlighted. What you need to do right now until this is resolved is just click the add myself. If you are getting 2 tickets, you could then change it to 2. But you need to always click the add myself currently to get the ticket. So if your checkout is grayed out, make sure the quantity is 0, then click the add myself. If you go this quantity and add myself, sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So the best bet is work there. But best bet is just click add myself to whatever ticket you do. For this beta testing, choose whichever one you get appropriate. You have the discount code that I sent you. That will take the off of any of the tickets. So please choose the one you feel most comfortable with. Click add myself, and then there's the promo code. So that promo code I gave you, click that, enter it in here, and hit apply. It should show you right on the screen the discount amount. After you do that, hit checkout. And here's where it will be doing some self-population depending on how you registered for the site. Some of the sites, some of the ways you registered will give more information pre-populated than others. But here you can enter your, should probably populate email address at least, and then probably some of the other information. Okay, so then make sure this is all right. Enter a title if it did populate and a company. The rest is not required, but you can go through that. We will reorder these. So hopefully maybe you even give that as a feedback to remind us that we should reorder these as they're probably not the best order. Okay, so once you do that, hit payment. Oops, I have to enter a company. And then here is your credit card information. It says contact information. It's really credit card information. So enter any information about you from your credit card, address, and then there's the card number. And then just hit the pay. That should get you a ticket. You're going to get an email. It's probably not going to be it's going to be a bare email. Probably should have more marketing info. Please give us feedback on that of what you would expect an email to get after you register. Okay, so thanks for helping with this, and look forward to the feedback.